So, here is my simple method to choose the right skill. I call it IPM method: interest, proof, and market. First, interest. You need to pick something that you won't hate doing every day. Ask yourself, do I enjoy creating visual content or do I like writing? Am I good at organizing and planning? Don't pick video editing just because it pays well. If you hate sitting in front of video editing software for hours. Second, proof. Can you show quick results? Some skills takes months to get good enough to charge for. Others, you can start getting paid within weeks. Third, market. Is there actual demand for your service? Just because you can do something doesn't mean people will pay for it. Check the job board, Facebook groups, LinkedIn. Are people actively looking for this service? Anyway, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe my channel and help me grow.